Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Elevon Portable Washing Machine, 28 pounds Mini Compact Laundry Washing Machine. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Easy to operate. The portable mini compact washing machine has 3 knobs including wash timer, wash mode, and spin timer. Simply put in your clothes and detergent, then set the washing programmer of the washing machine. It saves you time and effort, no need to go to self-service laundromat or hand wash in the tub. Large capacity and visible design. The portable washing machine has a clear window for you to watch your clothes while washing. The washer has a capacity of 18 pounds and a spinning capacity of 10 pounds, ideal for washing small loads of laundry. Ready to use out of the box, no assembly required. Timer control. Washing and spinning operations are controlled by separate timers to meet the needs of most households. 260 watt of washing power and 140 watt of spinning power help to save your washing effort. Compact twin tub design. The portable washing machine features a twin tub design that allows you to wash and spin separately to save you valuable time. The side of the drum is equipped with a filter that quickly filters and collects debris for easy cleaning. When using the spinning drum, you need to place the cover on top of the laundry to avoid high-speed shaking and spinning. Space saving. This mini washing machine is compact and lightweight, easy to move around, and can be mounted on the wall or placed on the floor for use. Suitable for places where space is limited, such as dormitories, apartments, and RVs. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.